Eli, so what is this here?
It's my bird journal.
Your journal for today on
Yeah.
birds? Okay. So you've learned quite a bit on birds. So what can you tell us so far?
Birds are vertebrates. They have backbones. They are warm-blooded.
Mm-hmm.
They have 2 wings, 2 legs, and a beak. They have feathers too. They lay eggs. The males are more colorful than the females. I hope that doesn't, I don't know.
It's okay.
Birds can be very small or very large.
Mm-hmm.
Birds eat many different kinds of foods. For example, fish, meat, seeds, insects, and nectar.
Bravo, Eli. I thought you fixed the spelling for vertebrates.
Vertebrates. Stop. Okay, I'll just fix it.
You want to fix it now?
How do you spell it? Oh, yes.
Mommy wrote it on top for you. Oh, now you made it even worse. I think it's an E over there, Eli.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, different. I think I saw a spelling there on different. So it's D-I-F-F-E.
D-I-F-F-E.
So if I were you, like, you have to erase R-E-N-T so that you have enough room. Okay, erase all that. You have to erase R-E-N-T as well. All of it so that you have enough room. Let's erase so that we can't see what was there before. Let's do a good job of erasing. Keep going. One more time erasing, please. Erase one more time, please. It's 2 F's. It's 2 F's. 2 F's. Then an E. R-E-N-T. Very good. Okay. Different kinds of foods. Okay.
Foods, okay.
Do you want to put an S after the food?
Oh, no.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. All right. Bravo. You did the work. Good job. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.